Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make circular array with different kind of objects in Blender. But I want to do this with a UV sphere. So I'm going to import one UV sphere. And I'm also going to click Shift A and import a circle. And I'm just going to expand it something like this. We're going to click on this object, UV sphere, and we're going to go to Add Modifier. And we're going to go to Generate and click on Add Array. And we can, put this number to, let's say, 10. I'm going to click Add Modifier again. But this time we're going to go to Deform and click on Curve. And over here where it says Curve Object, we're going to select this tool and click on this Bezier curve, and already it's going to create an array of these UV spheres. And you just want to put the right numbers so they don't overlap. You can scale them down a bit, and yeah, we have a perfect circular array of UV spheres. Hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.